In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and delete messages on LinkedIn Mobile. Let's start inside the LinkedIn mobile app. Once you're on the home screen, look for the message bubble icon. On most devices, it appears near the top, but its exact position can vary slightly depending on your phone and app version. Tap that icon to open your LinkedIn messaging inbox. Here, you'll see all your recent conversations in one place. To edit a message you've already sent, first open the conversation where that message appears. Find the specific message you want to change. Now press and hold on that message. This is a long press, not just a quick tap. A small menu will appear with options. Choose Edit. Your original text will open so you can make changes. Fix the typo, add missing context, or update the information as needed. When you're happy with the changes, tap Save. LinkedIn will mark the message with an indicator that it's been edited, so everyone in the conversation can see that an update was made. Keep in mind, you can only edit messages you sent yourself, and people may have seen the original version in their notifications, so aim to edit promptly. If you need to delete a message, the process is very similar. In the same conversation, press and hold on the message you want to remove. From the menu that appears, tap Delete. LinkedIn will show a confirmation pop-up to make sure you really want to proceed, and it will remind you that deleting the message removes it for all participants in the chat. Take a moment to be certain. Once you confirm by tapping Delete again, the message will be removed from the conversation thread for everyone. This is helpful for retracting a message sent by mistake or removing sensitive details you didn't intend to share. A couple of quick tips as you do this. If you don't see the options right away, make sure you're long pressing directly on your own message, not the other person's. Also, the wording or layout of menus can vary slightly by device, but the steps are the same. Open the conversation, long press the message, then choose Edit or Delete, and confirm. That's it. Editing and deleting messages on LinkedIn Mobile is straightforward once you know where to look. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching.